Alright, thanks for checking out this channel. This is going to be part 2 of the repair video on this one. This is a warranty repair. We've been waiting on parts for this particular board, or for this particular unit to come in for about a month, and we finally got them in. Finally, well, one board. I only needed one, so that's the one I got. But anyways, if you got an M1100 or even the M1500 new style Gallagher, you're welcome to send it in here, warranty or non-warranty. We work on both warranty and non-warranty for Gallagher and most brands as well. So we're going to pop this thing apart. Part 1, we went through and kind of test everything out, and so we could figure out what was wrong with it. And it had been hit by lightning, and we had to get another board, for the old board was too far gone to save. So now we're going to install the new board and get this unit going again. So there's the transformer sits right there. So that's the new style, or the current style, whatever, the Gallagher boards. It's mostly surface mounted stuff on here, pretty sophisticated board. Make sure the board's in where it needs to go. These wires on where they need to go. For the transformer. I'll take the capacitor and plug its wires on. Tighten this up. We're going to have to cut these off. I don't like these. I don't like these at all. lid on here. Now, checked everything else out in the first video, so it should go to working. Just plug it in and see what happens. Goes. And that's basically it on this one. We're gonna put it back together and we'll get this box to ship back to customers. This is a warranty repair on a Gallagher M1100 M1500. Gallagher is very similar. It takes a few different parts. It's different capacitors and different board, but the transformer I believe is the same between both units. So if you want to send us something for us to look at, we'd be happy to take a peek at it for you. So until next time, we'll see you later on.